Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like me, many of my subscribers asking me, please explain you something about this game, how to be completed this major depth. So please, I request you be end of watching this video and listen my tricks and my information. I will give you this app about. So I will be talking on gogreen game over. So let's start this video. So
Game 1.
gogreen game claim now. So my dear friends, just to be like the first of all of this playing this game now, instead of everything because my mobile hang now little, so don't to be angry with me. Oh shit, now it's okay. No thanks. So much ads on this game. So my dear friend, you will be seeing on the more trash, more depth, offline earning. So I will explain you something about this game. So this time I have be like 37 more trash and more depth like the 120 meter like I have depth, and like the offline earning 34 minutes I have offline earning. So just I playing little this game. Oh shit. Okay, no problem. So my dear friends, like be first of all you will be purchasing something like be more trash, maximum like be 15 trash you will be buy now, and like be this time I have 120 meters depth now. So I request to you we like be 200, how much, 200 or 300, maximum 300 best now. 300 meters like be more good for you, and like be offline earning maximum like be 180 minutes like be good, because I just telling you 1 hour only you will be playing this game, then you be close this game after 3 hours when you become open this game. So offline minutes this benefit like when you after 3 hour playing again this game, so this game give you big bonus and you will be easily completed your depth meters. Everything to be easily, not just I request to you be like be focus on my tricks about how much I'm be playing this game, how to be completed now, because everything to be easily, not just I telling you something this tricks about like be more trash about
It can be hard to get your big idea.
more trash about like this, and more depth about I tell you, because this is the most three option to be so good for benefit options. check on my balance now, because to be everything easily now, and just telling you everything, explaining you something about this game, how to be playing this fast to be completed this game depth. So all this to be like listen my tricks what I'm saying on this game. So I hope you will be understand now, because everything not to be easy, just I will explain you these tricks about. So many of members like asking me on my comment section, and he tell me something, please tell me something about this game. Oh shit, top again, like be losing my this game. So you will be checking now 30k I have, so I will purchase now this like 38 now. So this type this game now, and this type you will be playing now. So I'm again tell you like be maximum more trash 50 trash you will be purchasing now 200 to 300 like be off like be more that purchasing now offline earning purchasing now. And after 1 hour you completely playing this game, and next 3 hour close this game. So you will be see, and step by step you will be achieve your depth 3800. So I hope you will be understand now. So thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So love you all, thank you so much.